This video will show you how to create your own GIF using a website andtheniwaslike.co and then insert that GIF onto a Google slide. To get started, we're going to head on over to andtheniwaslike.co. So here I am on the website andtheniwaslike.co. And this is just a simple, quick way to use your computer or Chromebook's webcam to create an animated GIF to express yourself. So first thing I'm going to do is click I want to make a GIF. Now, I've used this site before. If you haven't used this site before, you'll probably see in the top left corner a little notification to allow the website to access your camera. Go ahead and click allow. Now I'll go ahead and just reposition my webcam a little bit. Hey, there I am. And I'll click record and do something silly in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! About like that. And now we'll see this crazy GIF of me kind of repeating. And we'll notice along the bottom of the screen that I can choose to cut things out and trim in and out that GIF to get just the right reaction. Then I should be able to click and play it. And if I'm happy with that, I'll go ahead and click save. So once that GIF saves, we'll notice a couple of things. First, it gives us a new window, and in this new window, we have a custom URL. Now, we're not actually going to use that custom URL. Instead, what I'm going to do is click right on this animated GIF. I'll click on it, and then I'm going to right-click and say copy image address. I'm going to click copy image address because when we insert an animated GIF into a Google slide, we insert it by the URL. So I'll click copy image address, and now I'm going to come on over to a blank Google Slides presentation. In this presentation, I'll click insert, image, and by URL. Then I'll paste that image. I'll see a preview of the GIF we just made, and I'll click Insert. Now we should see this GIF from andtheniwaslike.co that we just created repeating on the screen. This has been a brief demonstration on how to create your own custom animated GIF and drop it in to a Google slide.